Now the court will dock to see case number 98427, the case of Thomas Little Cicely DeMello for extortion, murder, and allegedly a string of other
Not
crimes
guilty,
of death. How do you plead? Can you repeat that, please?
Not guilty at all.
May the court acknowledge that Mr. DeMello has taken a not
Get me out of
guilty.
these fucking shackles. But
Okay, now. There will be orders.
You freeze right now,
Bailiff
you may
apprehend
be
this
shot.
man and re-handcuff him immediately.
Abracadabra, I'm out.
There are two things that are gonna get us out of this situation. Alright. I got some cayenne pepper. That's one thing. Number two is that it's about to rain. So we're just gonna keep on running.
Hope you weren't expecting a chicken parm recipe right now.
Live it up, please believe you're surrounded, just live it up right now.
No matter what you hear, no matter what they damn well say, you must never turn back around. We're on the run now, we're officially on the lam. They are not coming for us. There's no damn way they won't get us. I'm running paprika, red pepper all over the place. Plus we got this rain coming in, I'm telling y'all. We're bounding up good here. Almost there, yeah. Come on. For God's sake, I think I'm finally safe now. Rain's coming down now about pretty much everywhere. The police aren't going to be able to see me with the coverage of the clouds, and them dogs won't be able to smell me between that cayenne pepper and that rain. Don't you want to know what I was arraigned for? Maybe it's something you don't even want to know about. Did you ever think of that? Did you?